How to create a successful dropshipping business. Step-by-step guide. Embarking upon the captivating and potentially lucrative voyage of launching a dropshipping enterprise is an exhilarating undertaking that promises a realm of opportunities for those who deftly navigate its intricate pathways. The crux of success in this realm lies in the meticulous orchestration of a multifaceted strategy that encompasses precision, adaptability, and astute decision-making. This comprehensive guide endeavors to illuminate each facet of the journey, from its inception with the identification of a promising niche to the dynamic expansion that awaits on the horizon. 1. The pursuit of a lucrative niche. At the heart of this endeavor is the imperative task of identifying a niche that not only resonates with your personal passions but also exhibits the potential for robust profits. In this digital age, where trends ebb and flow with astonishing speed, rigorous research becomes your compass. Tools like Google Trends and keyword analysis offer a glimpse into the shifting currents of consumer demand and emerging market trends. It's a delicate balance to strike, choosing a niche that aligns with your heart's desires while catering to a discerning audience eager to invest. 2. The art of in-depth market research. Delving into the depths of market research is where the seeds of success are sown. A thorough understanding of your potential clientele, their preferences, and the nuances of the competition are your guiding lights. Unraveling the intricacies of your target demographics' desires and pain points sets the stage for tailoring your offerings to meet their needs. Analyzing the competition unveils their strategies and product offerings, paving the way for you to chart your unique course. 3. The quest for reliable suppliers. Your dropshipping enterprise's longevity is inextricably linked to the quality of your partnerships with suppliers. The search for suppliers of repute, known for their reliability, superior products, and seamless shipping processes, is a crucial odyssey. Platforms such as AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu offer a shortcut to connecting with these indispensable collaborators. 4. The crafting of your digital haven. Setting up your digital storefront involves choosing the ideal e-commerce platform, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, to lay the foundation. This is the canvas upon which your brand identity comes to life. The architecture of your product pages, adorned with vivid imagery, persuasive descriptions, and transparent pricing, transforms visitors into customers and fosters loyalty. 5. The ballet of competitive pricing. The symphony of pricing is where strategy meets consumer perception. Crafting a pricing structure that not only remains competitive but also covers all costs, ranging from product acquisition to shipping and marketing, requires financial finesse. Keeping a watchful eye on competitors' pricing strategies ensures your offerings remain enticing yet economically viable. 6. The dance of search engine optimization, SEO. To make your online store a beacon in the digital wilderness, mastering the art of SEO is paramount. Keywords woven seamlessly into product descriptions, titles, and meta descriptions enhance your store's discoverability. Alongside this, creating valuable content that resonates with your audience beckons organic traffic to your virtual doorstep. 7. The forging of an indelible brand identity. The identity you weave for your brand is what sets it apart in a sea of competitors. A logo that imprints itself onto memory, a color palette that evokes emotions, and a narrative that engages the heartstrings of your audience create a tapestry of trust and recognition. 8. The symphony of order management. The rhythm of a successful enterprise hinges on efficient order management. Automating order processing where possible and fostering seamless communication with suppliers ensures a harmonious flow. Providing customers with tracking information for their orders elevates their experience. 9. The artistry of customer service excellence. Exceptional customer service is the true north on your compass to success. Timely responses to inquiries, deft handling of concerns, and adept resolution of issues cultivate customer loyalty and fuel positive reviews. A satisfied clientele becomes your most authentic marketing force. 10. The elegance of marketing mastery. The stage is set, the orchestra poised. Now is the time to broadcast your dropshipping venture's melody far and wide. Social media, influencer collaborations, email campaigns, and content dissemination orchestrate a symphony that resonates with your intended audience. The crescendo is accelerated through strategic investments in paid advertising endeavors. 11. The magic of social proof. Amid the digital cacophony, the harmony of social proof sways hearts. Incorporating customer reviews, ratings, and testimonials onto your product pages reinforces your store's credibility and nudges potential customers toward the realm of commitment. 12. The evolution of product spectrum. The winds of change in consumer preferences demand that your product offerings remain agile. Continual diversification to cater to eclectic tastes keeps your store relevant. Introducing new products aligned with emerging trends sustains the allure, while periodic evaluation weeds out underperforming offerings. 13. The mastery of performance analysis. The journey thus far is illuminated by the light of performance metrics. Key performance indicators, KPIs, ranging from conversion rates to traffic sources to average order values serve as guideposts. Data analysis fuels informed decisions, refining strategies to extract peak efficiency. In embracing these comprehensive steps, you embark on a transformative odyssey that traverses the dynamic realm of dropshipping. Guided by wisdom and unwavering diligence, you carve a path that transitions from nascent initiation to triumphant expansion. This saga, rich with strategic prowess, has the potential to culminate in the creation of a flourishing and enduring venture. One that stands as a testament to your vision and tenacity in the ever-evolving landscape of commerce. Thank you for taking the time to engage with this content. If you found it valuable and insightful, I invite you to consider subscribing to receive more updates and information in the future. Your support is greatly appreciated.